Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to go for settings, next scroll down to the system, click on the languages and input, select virtual keyboard, tap on the Gboard and then move for theme. Right now we are able to download one of this theme or just simply set up one of these colors that we actually have on the smartphone. So I'm going to set up this one, click apply. And as you can see right now, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.